friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञान वारिधि। आज हम 29 जून 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। राजनाथ सिंह हैज़ इनॉग्रेटेड हाउ मेनी ब्रिजेस बिल्ट बाय बॉर्डर रोड्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन in 8 states and UTs recently. This number is 63. Yes, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated 63 bridges in 6 states and 2 union territories. And the maximum number of bridges are in Andhra Pradesh and the number is 29. And the combined cost of the project is rupees 240 crores. How many Indian medical colleges have found a place in list of 100 best medical colleges of the world in 2021? This number is 6. And AIIMS New Delhi bagged 23rd position and AFMC Pune got 34th rank. And other colleges are CMC Vellore, JIPMER Pondicherry, Medical College Chennai, IMS BHU Varanasi. Which pharma company announced the commercial launch of 2-deoxy-D-glucose known as 2DG? This company is Dr. Reddy's Laboratory and this is an oral drug for use as an adjunct therapy for hospitalized COVID-19 patients. DRDO successfully flight tested new generation nuclear capable ballistic missile Agni-P. The range of this missile is between 1000 to 2000 kilometers. Agni-P is a new generation advanced variant of Agni class of missiles. Who addressed UNSC high-level open debate on children and armed conflict on June 28th? This has been done by Dr. Harshvardhan. Which Indian naval ship has been deployed for naval exercise in Africa and Europe recently? This is INS Tabar. INS Tabar, a vessel in the Talwar class to be armed with supersonic BrahMos anti-ship cruise missiles. She is also equipped with Banach-1 missiles. Japanese Zen Garden and Kaizen Academy has been inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi at which city in Gujarat? This has been inaugurated in Ahmedabad. It is a joint endeavor of Japan Information and Study Center at AMA and Indo-Japan Friendship Association IJFA in Gujarat. Zen Kaizen at AMA seeks to showcase several elements of Japanese art, culture, architecture, etc. Who bagged 3 gold medals at Archery World Cup Stage 3 in Paris? Deepika Kumari has bagged 3 gold medals and she defeated Russia's Elena Osipova. Government has extended the deadline for linking of PAN with Aadhaar till 30th September 2021. ITAT E-Dwar, e-filing portal of Income Tax Appellate Tribunal has been launched by whom recently? This has been launched by Ravi Shankar Prasad, Union Minister of Law and Justice. According to Ministry of Jal Shakti, tap water supply has increased fourfold from 7% to 31% in how many aspirational districts? This number is 113. Chief Minister of which state has urged Dr. Harshvardhan to allot vaccine per 1000 population? Chief Minister M.K. Stalin of Tamil Nadu has urged Dr. Harshvardhan to allot these vaccine. President of India Ramnath Kovind is on a 5-day visit to which state? This state is Uttar Pradesh. When is MSMEs Day celebrated? This is celebrated on 27th June. MSME is micro, small and medium sized enterprises. And theme of MSME 2021 is the key to an inclusive and sustainable recovery. Which is the first state to become free from rabies? This state is Goa. Which country has topped the Global Peace Index 2021? This country is Iceland, and India being ranked at 135 out of 163 countries, which signifies low state of peace. Recently, the scientists of which country have made the vaccine to fight all the dangerous viruses of coronavirus family? This country is USA. Which country has started the first fully electric bullet train in Tibet? It is China. Recently, which country has been retained by the Financial Action Task Force FATF in its grey list? This country is Pakistan. And Pakistan, for failing to check money laundering leading to terror financing, has been put in this list. Which city has been honoured with the Smart City Award 2020? This city is Indore. Who has become the new Central Vigilance Commissioner of India? He is Suresh N. Patel, and he has been appointed in place of Sanjay Kothari. And Suresh N. Patel has been an eminent banker with over 3 decades of banking experience. Recently, Microsoft has launched its next generation operating system. What is its name? Its name is Windows 11. Which state has announced subsidy of up to rupees 1.5 lakh on electric vehicles? This state is Gujarat. According to the report titled Suicide Worldwide in 2019, one in how many people died by suicide in the year 2019? This number is 100. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, AC, INS Vikrant, will be commissioned in which year? It will be commissioned in 2022. I hope ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा और आपके लिए बेनिफिशियरी भी रहेगा. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोज़ एंड मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल. थैंक यू.